Hi everybody, just a quick update on the Elvira Thunderbird build. As you may remember, this was bought as an open kit, and it's an older issue, so I didn't want to use the decals for the seats that are shown here on the box. What I wanted to do was to try a technique that Chris Chapman put a video up a few months back on this for doing flocking using cinnamon. So I experimented on a plastic plate. I sprinkled and glued some cinnamon onto it and painted it orange, part of it orange. Then I dabbed on some black paint. The brush is a little bit big in this example, but I just was trying this for a test. Eventually I took some the white glue and mixed it with the cinnamon and brushed it on the seats in the interior. So when I went to paint it orange, maybe I put it on too thick or didn't use enough glue or something, but it all kind of came off like cardboard. So that idea didn't quite work. So I scraped it all off and decided to hand paint the interior. And I was pleased with the results, as you can see in these pictures here.